Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this sunroof that won't close easily. I'm gonna show you it open easily, but it's when it comes the time to close it. Look at this. So I'm gonna show you how to quickly fix that. So first of all, you have to open the sunroof completely, just like this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take some air compressor and you're gonna try to pass the air all inside this groove, just right there. So you really want to go just like this and push all the dirt to the front. So it goes like this. And we repeat that on both sides. Now you're gonna take a silicone spray or a grease for a sunroof, and you're gonna spray just a little bit. You don't want to go crazy inside of this crack, everywhere that your sunroof goes, and you want to follow this track right there where it goes. And you do the same on both sides. So follow the track. Whoops. And just like this. So make it close and open a couple of times, and you will see the benefit very quickly of this cleaning and this lubrication. As you see in the beginning of the video, it seems not that slow, but trust me, sometimes it won't come off completely, so it won't close correctly. It gets stuck just around there, so this will fix it completely. So sometimes you have to do it every 3 or 4 years.